ஓம் நம சிவாய.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் எவ்ரிபடி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்கிறேனே தெரில. ரொம்ப நன்றி, வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to, I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko ha bolne ke liye, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, kuch bhi.
I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kammula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of them.
Yeah, me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. so many things like that. But it was not like, I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks, and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable, like you do only what's convenient, you know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that.
Biggest gift. Let's clap to that journey. 2 decades. Yes. Hi. As charming as ever you are.
Thank you.
And looking dapper. मेरा पहला सवाल is, no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your fans and audience, I would like you to answer to the media, how does Naga sir stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
ఓకే ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లారకం వనక్కం సబ్కు నమస్కార్ ఎల్లారకం నమస్కార How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become too fun and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa and Criminal and Zakam and Angare and other films, and also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the north. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then. This film is very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was all so very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years? This is just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Nagarjun sir, this is what we love about you.
So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were 4 newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers. And they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, is this good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
Since you spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us, actually, I believe. Yeah. Just kidding. Sir, एक line में बता दीजिए, because DSP का music and DSP himself is an industry. आपके लिए music कितना अलग रहा? एक ही line में कुछ भी बोलिए sir. Aditya Music से Aditya.
Obviously, it's a big project for us. It's a big project for Ultra Music. We are glad to be part of this. Nag sir, we're happy to work with you once again.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you everyone to be part of this event. Wishing all the best. And this will be another blockbuster from South.
All right. So I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him and also the producers and everybody. And thank you for...
So, for being part of Kubera, the high point for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor. Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye-opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you, and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. Ki you've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly, you haven't seen much of this character yet. Because there's a lot more. As in, so far we've seen one teaser and this song. And this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be, in fact, surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day, I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love, because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And that's all.
That love you give us on Instagram, and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying, this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started, because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. Yeah. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question. By
Again?
Bartaman,
I think
I will give it to sir as well. Debaprati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What
Thank you,
is
whoever
your
said
take
that.
on pan-India movies, and also what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
Am I I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up. Henna? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again
Say
now.
love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle Twinkle Superstar बोल रहे हैं वो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name. Okay, we'll come to you, Naga sir. This one's from a journalist called Benson Philip from Lokmat. Benson, are you here? Aapka character in Kubera is a wealthy man grappling with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role, and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong. Okay. No,
So
no.
you
But I
want-
definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also.
Ah.
Yeah. But
So we'll keep that a secret, sir.
yeah.
We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी साउथ सिनेमा की बात होती है, you are one star, the rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of. I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them, and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's all connected. We are all are aware. Is there something you'd like to tell all your fans? This is not a very common moment for me as a fan, as a presenter, and for your fans and media here. कोई आप message देना चाहेंगे, नाग sir?